Let's face it, none of us enjoy school. School was great for some things. It taught us history, it taught us how to write, it taught us how to solve for X. But it missed one crucial thing: how to build a business. It's like teaching someone how to read music but never letting them touch an instrument. Look, I'm not bashing education, it has its place. But let's be real, it doesn't fully prepare you for the entrepreneurial world. You leave school thinking a good job is the goal. But what about creating something of your own? What about being your own boss? That's what they don't teach you in school. They don't teach you the hustle, the grind, the relentless pursuit of your own vision. They don't teach you how to handle failure, how to learn from it, and come back stronger. This is the real school of business, the school of hard knocks, and trust me, the lessons here are way more valuable. So buckle up, because we're about to dive in. Please subscribe and like the video to help out with the algorithm. The missing curriculum essential business skills schools ignore. Let's face it, the traditional education system is like a vintage record player in the age of Spotify. It's outdated. Sure, you learn some basic math and English. But what about the skills you need to thrive in the real world, especially the business world? Financial literacy, crickets, marketing, nope, sales? Forget about it. Negotiation, risk assessment, you're on your own. These are the skills that can make or break you as an entrepreneur. These are the skills that schools often overlook. They focus on getting you a job, not creating one. Don't get me wrong, traditional education has its merits. But it's like learning to cook from a cookbook that's missing key ingredients. You might be able to follow the recipe, but the final product won't be quite right. This is where self-education comes in. You need to be hungry to learn, to seek out knowledge beyond the classroom. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops, connect with mentors. The world is your oyster, but you need to be willing to shuck it yourself. From idea to reality, a step-by-step guide to launching your business, so you have a killer idea. You're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 and become your own boss. That's awesome. But where do you even start? Don't worry, I got you. First things first, validate your idea. Don't fall in love with your product or service before you know if there's even a market for it. Do your research. Talk to potential customers. See if your idea solves a real problem. Next up, craft a business plan. This is your roadmap to success. It outlines your goals, your target market, your marketing strategy, and your financial projections. Think of it as your business's GPS. Now let's talk funding. Starting a business takes capital. You might need to bootstrap, borrow from family and friends, or seek out investors. Don't be afraid to get creative. Once you have the money, you need to make it legal. Choose a business structure, sole proprietorship, LLC corporation, and register your business. With the legal stuff out of the way, it's time to build your business's infrastructure. This includes setting up a bank account, getting the necessary equipment and software, and creating a professional website. Now, for the fun part, branding. Develop a strong brand identity, including a memorable name, logo, and marketing message. Marketing is key to getting your business out there. Use social media, content marketing, paid advertising, or whatever else makes sense for your target audience. Finally, it's time to launch. Take the leap and start selling your product or service. But remember, launching is just the beginning. You need to constantly manage and grow your business. Monitor your finances, adapt to market changes, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities. The Entrepreneur's Toolkit: essential resources for business success. Starting and running a business can feel like navigating a jungle without a map. But fear not, intrepid entrepreneurs. There are tons of resources out there to help you succeed. First up, you need a solid online presence. That means a professional website, active social media accounts, and maybe even a blog or podcast. Platforms like Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress can help you build a website, even if you have zero coding experience. Next, you need to stay organized. Project management tools like Asana, Trello, and Monday.com can help you keep track of tasks, deadlines, and progress. Speaking of staying organized, you also need to manage your finances like a boss. Accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and FreshBooks can simplify your life and save you from a world of headache come tax season. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Tools like MailChimp, Constant Contact, and ConvertKit can help you build your email list, create engaging campaigns, and track your results. Finally, never stop learning. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare offer a wealth of online courses on everything from marketing and sales to coding and design. Section 5. Mastering the game habits of highly effective entrepreneurs. Being an entrepreneur isn't just about having a great idea, it's about having the right habits to turn that idea into a reality. It's about showing up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. First and foremost, you need to develop a routine. This doesn't mean you have to be chained to your desk from 9 to 5, but you do need to create a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Next up, continuous learning. The business world is constantly changing, so you need to be willing to adapt and learn new things. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend conferences. Time management is crucial. Learn to prioritize tasks, delegate when possible, and avoid distractions like the plague. Remember, time is your most valuable asset. A strong work ethic is non-negotiable. Be prepared to put in the hours, especially in the early stages of your business. Networking is also key. Attend industry events, connect with other entrepreneurs online, and build relationships with potential mentors and investors. Adaptability is essential. The business world is unpredictable. Be prepared to adjust your plans, pivot your strategies, and embrace change. Finally, take care of yourself. Prioritize your physical and mental health. Get enough sleep, eat healthy, exercise regularly, and take breaks when you need them. Section 6. The Heart of an Entrepreneur. Cultivating essential values. Being an entrepreneur isn't just about making money. It's about having a set of core values that guide your decisions and shape your business. Integrity is paramount. Be honest and transparent in your dealings with customers, employees, and investors. Your reputation is everything. Passion is what fuels you. Choose a business you're passionate about, something that gets you fired up in the morning. Creativity is your secret weapon. Don't be afraid to think outside the box, to come up with innovative solutions, and to challenge the status quo. Risk-taking is part of the game. Don't be reckless, but be willing to step outside your comfort zone and take calculated risks. Ambition is what drives you. Set high goals, strive for excellence, and never settle for mediocrity. Independence is your reward. Embrace the freedom and flexibility that comes with being your own boss. Section 7. Real-world inspiration stories of entrepreneurial triumph. Need a dose of inspiration? Look no further than the countless entrepreneurs who have defied the odds and achieved remarkable success. Take Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. She turned a simple idea, cutting the feet off her pantyhose, into a billion-dollar business. Or how about Elon Musk, the visionary behind Tesla and SpaceX? He's revolutionizing the automotive and space exploration industries. And let's not forget Oprah Winfrey, who went from a challenging childhood to becoming a media mogul and one of the most influential women in the world. These are just a few examples of entrepreneurs who dared to dream big and turn their visions into realities. Their stories are a testament to the power of hard work, determination, and an unwavering belief in oneself. Section 8. Beyond the textbook, embracing continuous learning and growth. Graduation is not the finish line. It's merely the starting point of your entrepreneurial journey. The real learning begins now. The business world is your classroom. Every success, every failure, every interaction is an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning. Stay curious, ask questions, and never stop seeking knowledge. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend conferences, connect with mentors. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Section 9. Your entrepreneurial journey begins now, a call to action. So there you have it. The unfiltered truth about entrepreneurship. It's not always easy, but it's always an adventure. Now it's your turn. What are you waiting for? Take that first step. Refine your idea. Write that business plan. Take that leap of faith. The world is waiting for your unique talents and contributions. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, put in the work, and never give up on your dreams. The entrepreneurial journey awaits. Are you in?